How to make Facebook account private on phone. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to make Facebook account private on phone. It's actually pretty simple, so make sure to watch this video until the very end. Now hop into your Facebook application. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right. Then tap on the setting icon. Scroll down to Audience and Visibility. And the first thing you can do is tap on your profile details. And you can go through this entire page and edit the information that you want to be in private. Next is how people find and contact you. You can also go to this entire page and switch it all to Only Me. Next we have Post. We have here who can see your future posts. You can tap on the option right here. Then you can choose and tap Only Me. Now you can also tap on Limit Past Post. Tapping this option will switch all of your posts on Facebook will be switched from public to only friends. And now let's go back. You can also go through stories, reels, followers and public content, but let's just go to profile and tagging. Again, you can go through this entire page and you can just limit it to friends if you are okay with your friends seeing it, or you can just switch it to Only Me. Now let's go back and continue to tap on Active Status. You can also turn this off so that no one will know if you are on Facebook app at the moment. So basically, you just have to go through this list and make sure that everything is set to the most restrictive possible setting, and that will make your Facebook account private. And that's it. I hope this video helps you. See you on my next video.